Hello everyone, welcome to Make Draft and Strength. Today's session is on hypocycloid. So with the help of short video, you will understand what hypocycloid is in a simplest way. Before that, please make sure you check out my earlier videos which is on cycloid and epicycloid. So let's start. So in animation you can see there is one big circle, it's in gray color and it is fixed, and inside that there is a small circle which rolls inside the big circle without slipping and sliding, and there is one red point mark on the small circle. As the inside small circle moves, that red point draws a blue curve, and that curve is known as the hypocycloid. So hypocycloid means what? It is the locus of a point on circumference of rolling circle which rolls without sliding or slipping inside the another circle. It is known as the hypocycloid. So the question may ask in exam for a hypocycloid that here the rolling circle diameter and the directing circle diameter is given. So to calculate theta, there is one problem. There is one formula. You have to remember this formula: 360 into small r divided by capital R. Place the value of rolling circle radius and directing circle radius, and the angle comes 135 degree. So use this angle in construction. So let's see. So let's start our actual construction. So first of all, draw an arc of radius 80 mm and subtending angle of 135 mm. Mark the center as O. The next step, draw the rolling circle diameter 60 mm and mark the center as CO. We have to draw the rolling circle in such a way that it is touching the directing circle, means the bigger circle, from inside at point P. The next step, draw an arc with center O and OCO, and this arc is represent the locus of a center of rolling circle, and divide this arc into 12 equal parts by drawing radial lines through center O, and mark that point as C1, C2, C3 up to C12. Next step, divide rolling circle into 12 equal parts and name the point as 1, 2, 3 up to 12. Next step, draw an arc with radius is equal to O1 with a sufficient length. Again, with center O and radius is equal to O2, draw an arc up to 6 point. Now with center C1, make sure that you have to take a radius is equal to 30 mm in your compass. Place metal point on C1 and intersect the arc which come from point 1. Again place metal point on C2 and intersect the arc which come from point 2, and repeat the same procedure up to C12, and mark all the intersect point as P1, P2, P3 up to P12, and join the points P1, P2 up to P12 by a smooth curve to get a required hypocycloid. So this is all about hypocycloid. Hope you like the session. If you like this kind of content related to engineering subject, subscribe my channel so you don't miss out next. Our next video will be on spiral, how to draw a Archimedean spiral. So stay tuned. Thank you.